And it's still in possession of Brantford. Back of the point, Lucas Moore. Shot in, rebound. In front of it, Vondras as they jam away at it. Finally, the whistle goes. And Vondras does a good job of keeping that puck out and not able to get that puck. Good job by Yearwood, and then feeds over here for Walton. Walton's got some room. Quick shot. Score! Out of the zone. Dump back in again. They clear the zone. And the Wolves have 30 seconds left. Long pass. Yearwood is on a bit of a break here. Backhand shot. Score! Goyette will pick up the puck on his stick. Feeds it up to Golick. Quick shot. Score! Evan Konya.
For the Sarnia Sting, but comes to Sudbury, looking for that second chance. There's a goal.
There's a goal, absolutely.